Hello. In this video lecture, I am going to give a demo as to how the very famous KineMaster app can be used to record our videos, our video lectures, and upload the same on different social media apps or YouTube. Here we go. Here on the screen, I'm going to tap on the KineMaster to open it. Here, I have just now opened the KineMaster, and these are my previously made videos. And if we want to make a new video, we have to go and press on this plus button. Here, we have a small plus button in this circle, and by pressing onto that particular plus button, I have been taken to this particular interface where I am asked what kind of ratio of the screen I want to make use of. Here I go for the first one, 16:9. Once I selected this, now I have been taken to this particular area. This is the work area, and here on the right side we have a console, we have a set of buttons. Media is appearing. If I tap on the media, all the things that I have already saved in my device will be appearing here. Background, favorites, screenshots, everything. So let us go to backgrounds, and here these are the backgrounds that are preloaded on KineMaster. Let us go for the white one. White one is my favorite, and look here. Here, after selecting, you have to drag this. If your topic that is given on the first slide is going to continue for 1 minute, you have to drag this up to 1 minute, something like that. You can edit this even afterwards. This is how it looks. See, whatever area that is appearing here is this one, this patch. So the longer your speech is regarding this particular slide, the longer this ribbon must be, so that there is compatibility between what you say and what is seen on the screen. And next, you tick the tick mark here. Here on the extreme right, we have an uptick. We have to tick that, and then we have to come and tap on the layer. And layer gives you so many different options. One is media, another is effect, overlay, text, and handwriting. Okay, let us go to text. Text, here you can type whatever text you want to type here. Okay, let us for example say Shakespearean tragedy. So this is the text. Okay, type OK, and here we are not able to see anything because even the text is in white color. So we have to tap here and choose a different color so that our text can be seen on the screen. So you can just drag it to whatever size you want the letters to be seen, and then if you want to change the font, you have to go and touch this capital A and small a. And once you tap on the capital and small a, you will be taken to different fonts. So you can select whichever font style you want to select. Okay, here you can change the color, you can change the size, you can do whatever you want to do with this particular thing. And if you want to embellish your title, you can simply go to glow and you can select glow and make it appealing, look appealing. It's like that. You can just do wonders making use of this particular app called KineMaster. It's a wonderful app. Then voice. Coming to the voice, here you have to drag it to the beginning of that particular thing, and press on voice. Press on voice like this. Here it will start recording your voice. So here this particular colored bar shows whether your voice is getting recorded or something like that. You can stop it.